just walk up that way. There's a gate over there. On your left, there's a door right there. And that should get you out, all right? Hey, right there. Go out that way. Where are you going? There's no need to come back over here.
Hey.
No, just... You might be a little bit off there, Nilo. You might be a little bit off.
Yeah.
So just...
Go ahead. No.
Go right. Hey,
Whoa.
stay right there.
What's the knife? What's the knife? Oh, what's the knife? Put the knife away.
Hey, go ahead, put the knife away.
Put the knife away.
Come on, man. No, just put the knife away. Let's back up.
Put the knife away, man.
Come on, man. We don't want to hurt you.
Hey, back up.
Is somebody on the radio?
Give me the air.
Hey, you got a taser?
Yeah, I got the.
Come on, hey!
Strangle them. We got
Come on, man.
Southwest Precinct parking lot. He has a knife. He's walking towards us. We're giving him verbal commands. Just here. Hey, stay down on the ground, please. Go ahead, put the knife down. Go ahead. Whoa. Stop right
No,
there.
he might have a
Hey, give me.
40. Yeah, Nilo, why don't you come over here, Nilo?
Got a 40? That's a 40.
Hey, Nilo, you want to come over here? So we're all over here?
Yeah. Go ahead, put the knife down. Hey, anybody's car's locked?
Hey, let's everybody step back. Let's just... Come on, man.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hit him with the 40. 40. Watch out.